So this year I am focusing on trying to get the shop a little more organized and tools that would better help me do that and or jigs. So one of them I purchased recently from Massca, which also comes from Creative Tool Company, is this. I believe Creative Tool Company designed it, Massca resells it. I don't know what the partnership is there, but it's a collaboration between them. And this is to hold the Massca M2 jig. I'm not going to go into how to use this jig. I have another video, I'll link that in the description about my review of that and how that works. But I used to have the jig mounted to this board, and it was nice because of one aspect of I could put this in my vise, mount it to the bench. However, I decided, oops, let's move that there, to move to something that's a little more designed for it just because of some of the features. One being that it holds everything nicely. So these all have magnets. So your drill bit is here, your bit for driving, your tools that you need. Even the little adjuster has a little rubber grommet in there that it goes into and holds it. So as you can see, if I flip this upside down, nothing comes off. So everything is nice and secure, including the jig itself on there. They even thought of carving out this so you can loosen and tighten these. Another nice feature of this is, let's say, as you can see right here, 1/2 inch, 3/4, 7/8, 1, all the way up to 1.5. Well, those all correspond to the sizes. So if we go ahead and loosen our collar here, go from this side. So 1.5 is there, you see, versus 1 inch is there. It's from the back side, not the front side. And then we would go ahead and tighten that down. Go ahead and put it in there, and that's the easiest way to tighten it down is in. And now we are set up. We'll put our tool back, and we're set up to do 1/2 inch pocket holes. And you can see I have this set up, or 1/2 inch material. I have this set up for 1/2 inch. And if we go ahead and put this on here and turn it to the 1/2 inch, you can see it's touching just barely. So I'll show you that there. So it is perfectly set up for that. And then again, it holds everything. So one other thing here I'll show you is I went ahead and put together a mounting system for it for my wall, but I wanted to touch on one other feature of this, and that is this jig itself. So it does have the ability for dog holes. These fit a European style dog hole, it notes. You also have the screws to just screw it down, or in my case, from now on, I'll just clamp it right to my bench. I don't have dog holes or any of that at the moment, so as you can see, it wouldn't move. I would put this the other way around, nice and secure, do my pocket holes, take it off, and then we'll jump to that jig I made. That goes up here on my French cleat wall and hangs this up here perfectly. So that is how we went from this one to this one, and it looks much nicer and much more organized. So thanks for watching. Hit that like and subscribe button to see more organizational tips, reviews, and things like that that'll be coming this year. Soon up here, I'm going to redo my shop tour because things have changed drastically. So again, if you want to see a small shop setup and a tour of that, hit that. As well as I'm going to go over my ever-evolving dust collection system. I don't think I've ever done a video on that. So thanks for watching. Have a good evening.